We're outside. We just wet the garden. Garden's doing great. I just soaked some birds because it's 44 degrees out, so. I see you. The white one's not too smart, is she? She'll feel better once she goes back inside, though. Birds outside, I'm sure. Now, I need to fill up this water because I drained a bunch of it today to let some of the heat out, the hot water out. It's hard to do this with one hand. Jeez. So I just opened up a valve and I dumped almost half of it, so we'll just replenish it. Get them a little bit of cool water. I need to bring this to the chicks. You see them all laying down. They look like they're dead. Come on, move. Let's go, move. Come on, move. All right, well, we all know that this feeder is going to have to just sit there, and this one will be the main probably water supply anyway for now, because they don't seem to be, they're gonna want that water. It's nice and cold. Yeah, let's put this feed over here. I'm gonna shut this off now. Geez, you wouldn't think an LED can get hot, but holy smokes. Ducks are starting to get pretty big. Big old meat chicken. So we lost one of the bigger chicks, one of these ones. I'd love to know how hot it is in here. It has to be 40 degrees. Like my skin's like soaked. You think they would just drink out of that? They're tall enough, but they're just not smart enough. Nobody said meat chickens were get everybody wet. Get them moving around. It'll probably feel good if they get some water on them. I was gonna bring in a squirt bottle. I still might go in the house and get one. You can tell they're hot. See, this is how you know they're hot. See how their wings droop down? With the duck. Alright, y'all. I'm going in the house. She's warm out here. Cheers. Stay hydrated. I think I lost 5 pounds of water. So, cheers.